l'appareillage.
Got qualified today at 250, you know. Hoping to get a top 5 this weekend, so we'll see what happens.
Alright.
Cool. Check out some of the other drivers.
Last week on Mod2Fame.
I can feel it. Let him move up a little bit. Up the hood, Corey, come on.
If you're going to get close on his car, you think?
Yeah, absolutely.
Hey, Mike, come on now. Good now, brother. Driver, car 41.
Car 41. How are you?
How's it going?
Ready for the race?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Going out qualifying in a few hours and see if we can put it on pole.
Very nice. You're from Long Island, I hear.
Yes.
What part? What
Eastern
part?
Long Island, Hampton Bays.
Hampton
out of
Bays.
South Fork.
See these stickers all the time that Long Island needs a racetrack or a drag slip. How do you feel about that?
You know, I think the perfect spot would be that Calverton, the old ex-Grumman place.
Yep.
You know, I mean, it's got room for a world-class road course, drag strip, and motocross track. You know, I just wish the town would let them do it.
That'd be cool.
Hopefully, I think it'd be good for the local economy too. I mean, you know, you can still go to the Riverhead Raceway, and granted, it's only a small circle track, but the place still packs out people. People go there. It brings people there. You know what I mean? They already have the infrastructure in Riverhead between the hotels and shopping and restaurants that's not far from Calverton. I think it's a smart idea. You know, I grew up racing motocross on Long Island. We raced at Rocky Point, West Hampton, Bridgehampton, and you know, it was a great childhood, but there's really nothing for kids to do anymore if you're into any form of motorsports. You're limited to the school sports, and I just don't think it's fair to your kids either.
I agree.
Here's the build of my car, Blade.
Hey,
this is my friend Joe.
nice to meet you.
How you doing, man?
How are you?
Good.
So you built Larry's car?
I sure did. It was supposed to be a house car for us to showcase what we can do, so we went a little crazy on it. Then I got sick and Larry wanted a car, so we made a deal.
You went crazy on the car and you have a crazy driver that seems to go together.
It's the perfect marriage,
It's the perfect, absolutely.
We have Harry here today. He was third in the last session, and we're working on it. I'm going to qualifying in an hour or two, so I'm looking forward to it.
Very cool. Can we check out the car?
I'm sorry?
Can we check it out?
Wait,
all right.
snap on me. Oh, it's a pistol.
What's up, baby? Are you racing today? Are you racing?
Yeah, I'm racing.
Hi. How are you, beautiful?
I'm racing.
You look like you're about to race to sleep.
Yeah.
It's like,
oh my gosh. It's our first time here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna need some headphones. How you doing? Good, good. This your car?
No, I used to work with him.
Yeah?
Yeah, years ago.
Okay. Yeah, you want to shout out your friend who's racing?
I'm here to support Kerry Hitt.
What's he driving today?
He's driving a number 19 Cadillac CTSV. Yeah, Trans Am. So,
America.
yeah.
Nice. All right, cool. Thank you for your time.
All right.
And get you some headphones because it's going to get loud.
Yeah, I'm going to try to take her away before they fire off.
All right.
Stand up! Stop squatting!
Good luck on your race.
right, what, you? Tommy? My friend Joe?
Tommy, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to our Mod2Fame YouTube channel.
Thank you very much.
This is Mr. Vino Royale.
Oh, okay.
His name's all over my car like he owns
Yeah, I
it.
saw that.
Yeah.
I assume there's a wine business behind that?
Yes.
Nice.
Vero Beach.
Very nice. My wife will like that. She's a big fan of wine.
Absolutely.
She drinks and she knows things. On
You
your
can walk
tires?
them on the car, they gotta be off the car.
Oh, it's easier? I can do it even.
Oh, because he wanted to throw them on. I thought they had to be off.
Well, it's easy, but I mean, there, Mikey's right there. So.
Okay, no, I left them on. Now we can throw them on. Tommy, once they walk them, we'll throw them on, all right?
Yes, I can do them when they're on the car. That's when they're moving. It's a little hard.
Yeah, they gotta mark the tires. The tires you qualify. Tires you qualify are the tires you gotta race with. So
Okay.
you put a marking on them. So
Yeah, I saw them marked with some yellow or orange
yeah, they
writing.
mark them. They put a number for whatever race it is, race 11, 12.
No, you run this the way it is today. Tomorrow you clean it up right.
We'll put the hood on. We're just giving it a quick cleaning. The trunk lid's not bad. And the hood should be
let
good.
him do it. 99.
99. Wait a minute. We have a discrepancy. We have a 99.
Upside down.
69.
This way, look.
You don't want to. Wait a minute. You don't
69.
want to be upside down.
We actually were 66.
All right, number 99. Very good. 340.
Oh, you actually go right down the tire size?
I'm putting down the size.
You can't buy anything else here.
/715 /16.
Honest.
Did the right job.
Absolutely.
You got one more job.
Sweet.
66. Once it's on the car, it's going to read 66. You know, right? When it goes up to the top, it'll be 99. They'll go 66, 99 too. All right, we'll go get my car. Don't break it.
Wait, tires came off while someone was racing?
One guy went out.
Yeah.
Tire came over, drove out. His tire just came off. Not racing. Qualified right now.
Whoa.
Because they do the single locking hubs.
Yeah.
You know, that takes a lot of pressure. You don't lock those right. That's all you guys. One
Yeah, it's
big
got to be
nut.
flush on there before you
It's
lock
got the
it.
pins in there. I don't have that. I have 5 lugs. It's, you know, it's a little hard, lot harder for them to come off than the single hubs.
Then you would scratch up the underside of the car, wouldn't you?
Well, if the tire comes out, you could break the body. But he was smart. He got it out. Even the other one, when it came out, it must have just shot straight out, so he didn't damage the body. But he was able to drive around the track with 3 wheels, and the front never touched the ground.
Whoa.
That's how stiff these cars are. What? 5 what?
5 lug.
Yeah. Why was wrong?
I'd go with that right now.
Yeah,
Yeah, right.
I was just telling him all the single wheels are coming off.
That's what I'm working on right now. See what we can do about it. Well, if he don't put at least 4 of those on, he deserves to lose a wheel. I've got an idea to try to help those guys out. I mean, right.
Yeah.
We'll put these down, torque spec of 100, 120 pounds.
And
triple check 'em.
Oh, okay.
You know,
Yeah,
It's amazing the force these take.
Absolutely. From torque to G-forces turning as well.
It's unbelievable G-force in that. You pull 3-4 G's into a turn. Coming out of a ball.
Not this car.
So Larry, this car is stock, right? You got it from the dealership just like this?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, right out of the box. Right from GM. The big old pipe and everything. They didn't even run the extra pipe to the back of the car.
Oh, oh wow, look, I could get,
It was sponsoring a hookah bar.
Oh, which we started.
I can get my lens in there, look.
You know what? That in there when I started up.
Yeah, right. It'll melt my camera.
Yeah. We'll haze it up so bad.
Larry also has an incredible motorhome here.
Real quick. Yeah, come on, I get the food. One piece of prosciutto and I got sausage here.
Larry, we're going to take a tour of your beautiful
Sure.
motor coach here. This is stock, right? It came from the dealer like this
Yes,
too?
this is stock.
This is stock?
Well, I did have it tuned.
Did you really?
Yeah, I tuned
Wow,
it.
okay. See, Larry, it's all about modified life.
380 had tuned up to 450.
450 horsepower?
Yeah.
But it weighs like 10,000 pounds though, right? Does it?
pounds.
How much does it weigh?
I don't know, like 30, 40,000.
Holy crap.
It's got like 1250 horse torque now. That's got a lot of torque.
Wow. Let's go inside. Larryville. Yeah, we're inside Larry's motorhome. My wife over there. What's up, beautiful? Say hello to you too. It's my daughter over there. pretending to do homework, but she's really on YouTube. Oh, look. Oh, wow. Worlds are colliding. You're seeing yourself on YouTube while on YouTube. There's Larry.
Where'd Anna go?
Oh, you got a TV up there, too.
No, you're not going on my pit lane.
I'm not listening to you. Keep it quiet.
You're not going on my pit lane.
And there's Anna. This is the lady of the motor. Like it's the buzzer.
I'm just open it. I didn't even drink.
Okay. And bedroom. Another bathroom back there.
Plates.
How many slides does this have?
4.
4 slides. Wow.
Mirror blocks it, I don't even see it.
Nice. Larry. Larry LaFarage. Thank you for letting Mod2Fame sponsor you. And here's your sponsorship prize. One drink. Let's see. Hold on. This was Ripper.
Wow.
Take that right now before you start. Okay. And then this one is called Rehab to Recover. Monster, you see us?
Can't wait to try the Ripper. Definitely out of the car. Go for this one. To the Rehab.
Safe race, brother.
Thank you.
Wow, that's amazing acting! You about to get in?
Yeah, I'm thinking it.
Okay, cool.
I think you should watch the ball.
Yeah, we can watch. Do it, Larry. I think it was that sticker up there in the windshield.
I got good video of you. Hi, Brian.
Running good. Hi, hon. How are you, sweetie?
I gotta check the back tires, make sure I didn't flat spot.
I'll come. Don't worry. You go relax. Go do what you gotta do. I didn't.
People on YouTube, just from what 5 laps, you cannot even. The tires are so hot, you can't even touch it. Let me show you how long I can. That's it. That's as long as I can touch it. It's so hot.